They're just food for the reptiles.
We can check in?
Hey, I'm blaming you.
You can check in. Parker 1, Jerry 2, Bill 3, Travis 4, Frank 5, Butch 6, Mike 7,
This is
Joe
crazy.
8.
Joe Nicolai, Travis Scott, Whitman, Brett, Mike,
And I need my marshals. If I get some extra marshals out here this time, I'm going to need them.
You like to tell us you had to line up in your like cafe or whatever?
Jerry Tobias, Parker Hill,
Okay, everybody's checked in. Positions.
You're in front of me? Why you gonna yell at me? Feel bad. What am I? 6.
Okay, looks like we were ready as soon as I get an A-OK over there.
I don't know where I am. I'm just headed where I am.
No. Hey Don.
Why ain't they on that light? That's what I want to know.
Don.
That's not LED.
That looks like
Step
a
back
flexible
one.
bulb.
There you go. Thank you.
Yeah, stop being a jerk. Big bag. Oh.
He's showing her a mayflower. I think they're like you come around the turn, then it gets really squirrely. Like everyone.
I think we're ready.
Same thing.
Cars ready out there?
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You got marshals?
So used to counteract.
Do you need a marshal here?
I'll marshal that middle there.
All right, perfect. You're a sweetheart.
I should have worn my bee costume. I know, that's not right. Beekeeper costume, or I can bring a stand up here.
Don, are we set out there? Okay, they were moving around, so I want to make sure.
Please look at the Mayflower.
All right, in less than 5. We're off and racing, folks.
I'm going to have to put plug off on my windshield on my truck.
Brent gets a little lead on that one. Oh, but he catches the wall. And he really wrecks it. Over there, Don.
You don't even know who you're calling, Bang.
Nope. He's got it.
That would be Butch, you know.
second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7.
Oh, what the heck's happening here? There, watch it over my picking the wrong tires.
7 minutes left in this heat. Are this A-main? The stadium trucks. Up next, we have the 4-wheel drive buggies. In my 4-wheel drive buggies, I will have Don, Tyler, Adam, Dan, Brian, Steve, JB, and Ray.
Someone stuck behind you. Oh, 2 people stuck now.
Oh, we got Marshall right here.
There you go.
Over here.
7.
Right there. Right. You're clear.
Damn, come on, straight line.
8. First. Second.
Parker holding the 3-second lead over Bill.
Third. Fourth.
Jerry dropped down to 5th.
7.
Behind you, Noonan. Thank you.
First. Second.
Thank you.
Third. Fourth. Fifth.
5 minutes, 30 seconds left. Parker still holding a 3-second lead over Bill. Bill holding a 9-second lead lead over Travis.
Second.
Where's Gary?
Third. Fourth.
Brent trying to catch up to Travis right now.
Seventh. First.
5 minutes left.
Second.
That's it.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. First. Second.
Bill trying to catch up to Parker. Parker doing a little fish tail in there, but he gets it under control.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Jerry trying to catch up to Brent. Whoa, a little tangled up there. Nice looks like he got out in front.
Second.
Oh, but he loses it. Oh, he gets it back.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
So, with 2 minutes and 30 seconds left, we got Parker out in front by about 4 seconds. Bill in second place, Travis third, Jerry, then Joe, Brent, Mike, and then Butch.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Down to 3 minutes.
First. Seventh.
I've got a huge pile of dead bugs sitting in front of me right now.
Third.
Oh, man.
Fourth.
Thank you.
Fifth.
I think we might have to blow off the track again.
First.
2 minutes, 30 seconds left. Parker holding the command 11-second lead. Oh, behind you. There you go.
Seventh. Second. Third.
Travis only needed 4 seconds to catch up to Bill.
First. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Second.
Got you there.
Third.
Parker with a 15-second lead.
First. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh.
1 minute, 20 seconds left.
Third.
Travis right on his tail. Whoa, they get tangled up. The bugs are so thick I can't see the colors.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear him crunching as I go by the start line.
Second. Third.
All right, Parker's still holding that first place. Travis in second, and Bill's in third.
First. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Set. Second.
Okay, 15 seconds to the tone. Remember to drive all the way
Third. First.
until you hear your name called. There's the tone. Jerry, you are done.
Brent done.
Brent, you're done. Mike, you're done.
Second.
Travis, you're done.
Third. Parker.
Parker, you're done.
Third. Bill Putnam.
Bill, you're done.
Can lose and stuff. But yeah, good race, man. Saturday is when it's going to be because I'm not coming down next Friday.
Fourth.
And Joe, you are done. Everyone is done. It was Parker in first, Travis in second. Third place was Bill. Fourth place was Joe. Then Jerry, Brent, Mike, Louie.